Welcome to Hypoallergenic Collection. So today we're going to go through how we can make a one size fits all mask for kids as well as adults using a kid's handkerchief, right? So you just need to take a kid's handkerchief and you fold it into half at the back, and you fold another half, then you turn it to the front, and then you put it like that, and you fold another half and half again. So then what you do is you tuck in at the side here, and you tuck in at the side. Tuck in. What I'm going to do is just glue. I'm just going to take a craft glue which is non-toxic as well, and then I'm just going to stick this here like that. Let me just paste in between the layers as well. So I've already taped both sides down, and oh, I left this side here underneath. Just pasting the glue down, and I've also put glue above the final layer on top. The reason being because we're going to take a ribbon, right, and then paste over it like that, right, and then both sides. So this is what makes it adaptable for all sizes, because you just need to tape tie it to the back of the neck. I tried other mask, but this mask I felt this was the most user friendly, because it allows you to expand right in the front, and at the same time make it breathable, because this is kerchief, so it's cotton, but I wanted to add a filter component to it. So what I did was, there's this mask they were given, but my kids refused to wear it, and it's also too big for them. So this part which has a nose wire to it, so that part I'm keeping it intact. I'm going to cut the corners. This part I'm going to cut this part off, and all the corners. I'll tell you why in a bit, because this will fit into the size that I just did. So this is the small part, and it has got the nose bridge, that wire, I mean that metal piece here. I'm also able to now bring back this. So because there's this opening at the back, it also serves as a pocket for me to insert my filter. So, sorry, I should put it this way. So the nose bridge part is here, where you can bend and keep the frame. I put it upwards, and then I tuck in the remaining part here, and then there you have it. And then you could just put it over your face, and then if it even works for adults. For adults, of course, we will move it down a bit more. For kids, this frame is well enough, and then we tie this ribbon at the back of our head. I realized that if you do the hoops, which are, I did try making for my kids another version, which is like that. I did try. This is the Hello Kitty one. But I feel that, this rubber band at the side was irritating the back of your ears. So I didn't like it being an issue for my kids. So what we did was, then we tried another version, which was using this. We bought this. Which was, even though it's a good material, but I really couldn't breathe through this mask at all. I'm an adult, I really couldn't breathe. I had to take on theirs, and I felt that this was small. Then I was thinking, how can I make a mask that could fit one size fits all? So then I came out with this. I saw this origami kind of concept, where you just fold, and then just glue the end with the ribbon, so that you can just tie to the back of your back of your head. So I had made earlier using my t-shirt. Supposedly it's one of the more breathable fabrics for mask. So I made the same concept with my cotton t-shirt. So just put the filter, take this filter, do it 4 times the height of this, and then just give about 1 cm allowance each side to fold over, and then that is the size of cloth that you have to cut, and then once you cut that, then you do that same design, same method that I taught you earlier, and then you can make your own mask from a t-shirt. So this is me wearing the same mask that I did using a kid's handkerchief, and I will have tied it to the back of my head. So size, whether an adult person can wear it, a kid can also wear it. So you'll just cover the whole of the face well, because there's the filter that we inserted in through this mask had the nose bridge section, so it's able to hold it well, and it doesn't leave any space between the face and the mask, because I'm able to tie the ribbon well enough such that there's no air in between the face and the mask. If you enjoy making this mask at home and make this COVID experience a positive one. See you.